So this is how you set up your Final Cut project. You're going to open up Final Cut down here, and then it's going to ask you to continue or check again. Click continue, then reset your scratch disks, very important. Click up here, go to CSJ, go then to FCP Scratch, and then you're going to find the Capture Scratch for your semester. Click on your folder and hit Choose, then click OK and continue. And now you're going to wait for that to load. In the meantime, let's just wait for that to load. Now that Final Cut is open, you're going to want to hit Final Cut up top and easy setup. Very important. Always do this before you bring in your video. Format should be HD and use, you can scroll up all the way to the top, you're going to use this handy thing that's already made for you. It says Newswatch, use this. That's the one you use, and hit setup. Now that you've done your easy setup, on your keyboard hit Command N as in new, and it gives you a new sequence. We're going to rename it Test. Make sure though that you double click on your new sequence so that you are on Test and not on sequence 1. Now that you have your new timeline open, you can bring in your video and start editing. Now that you have finished your project, as you can see right here, your whole package is ready to go. You need to deliver it. Here's how you do that. You're going to want to click on StoryCut down at the bottom. Once that opens, you're going to want to select your rundown. So we're going to select this, pretend this is our rundown, and test package right here. Make sure to click in the timeline because it's going to deliver everything that's on your timeline. File, deliver to Sienna. Then you'll see that it's delivering into the placeholder. Click OK. And if you haven't saved it yet, you save it, usually to your CSJ file, but we're just going to save it to the desktop right now. It's going to write the audio and video. You're going to wait for that to finish. And then you need to wait for StoryCut to finish uploading it as well. Do not, and I repeat, do not click out after Final Cut is done writing the audio and video. It is not ready yet. Only once StoryCut is done will it be finished. So sometimes it may take a little while to do this, but just have patience. So now you see Final Cut is done, but StoryCut has started to do its own thing here now, and you see 9% done, and you see this thing, it's busy working its way. So once this is finished, once StoryCut is finished, there will no longer say % done. That will just go away. Once that goes away, you know it's done. If you click out of StoryCut or out of Final Cut now, your package will not deliver. So do not click out of anything. Leave this open until this finishes. Once it has finished, you should go into the control room and check to make sure that your package runs smoothly and your audio and your video is all there. And that's it.